Hi, I'm Lisa Anderson with this week's Supply Chain Byte. So, what's top of mind is the continued criticality of navigating supply chain disruptions. Novellus, a top supplier of aluminum sheets for the global automotive industry, had a fire in their New York plant. This severely impacted a key customer, Ford. They had to curtail production by 50% in their F 150 plant in Dearborn. So, what did Novellus do? They looked across their global network of plants to see if they could reallocate in production and increase output. They also looked to partner with their peers to supply materials that way. Customers look to shift supplies between models to keep their production lines running. But what's the real issue? Is that the supply of aluminum sheets, the capacity is maxed out in the domestic supply chain. In addition, there's a 50% tariff on aluminum, therefore also impacting that supply chain. So what should companies be thinking about? They should look at who is in their end-to-end supply chain, which materials are critical to keep their production lines going, and what are they going to do about potential and likely disruptions in their supply chain. In addition, they need to be thinking 3 to 4 steps ahead of their competition to ensure success.